Installing the T-seal, we first want to make sure it's lubricated. Then place it in the groove on the plunger and roll it around until it snaps into place, verifying that the T-seal has not rolled over on itself. Next, we want to resize the backups by rolling them over on themselves and then place them in the grooves on either side of the T-seal. Once in the groove of the T-seal, we want to look on the back side to make sure that the ends of the backups are not sticking out. This will prevent them from being clipped when placed in the body.